Welcome to River Bear Aquaponics. In today's video, I thought I would take you on a little tour on where the Burger King dual root plants are and how they're doing now. And I'm going to show you the importance of a small aquaponic system and how it can change your gardening and really the way you kind of look at aquaponics a little bit. Alright, so let's start. We'll start with the eggplants here. These were started in that small fish aquaponic system as seeds. As you can see, they've gotten to a pretty good size. I've got 4 eggplants in these 2 pots here. These could not be raised to full size in a system like that. However, they have no problem. That system had no problem getting them to the point where they were able to come outside. We'll take a look back here. We got that 2 tomato plants in that pot. We've got 2 more tomato plants in this pot. We've got 2 more tomato plants back there and 2 more tomato plants right there. We have 3 young pepper plants right here. So that's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 plants right there that were all started in that aquaponic, that small fish aquaponic system. Okay, down here we've got 2 more eggplants, and these two tomato plants, they came from that same system at that same time. Absolutely doing fantastic. Go over to one more spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more tomato plants. All of it still started in that. If you haven't checked out my dual root zone Burger King pot series, you should check it out. It's by far my favorite way to start seeds. We got another eggplant back there. And another tiny eggplant back there. All of that still started in my small fish aquaponic system. So we got a total of a lot of plants. I'll count them up and let you guys know how many are actually started. That, in my opinion, is the real future of aquaponics, especially small fish aquaponics.